Christmas Day, we're off on our trip, about 6,000 k's. We're all loaded up and ready to go.
Same way out of two anyway.
Good.
So we're off on our 3-week trip, 20 days roughly.
Yeah, about 20 days.
So 20 days, roughly 6,000 k's. It's what you'd consider a quarter lap, I guess. It's our quarter lap, Australia.
Probably an eighth of a lap, really.
We'll say an eighth of a lap. But we're doing it, we're both very time poor, so we're doing it in small sections as we can. We're going to do Fraser Island next year and up to the top. So that'll be something in the middle of the year next year to keep an eye out for. But this one, the first stop we're heading to is Mount Gambier. We're going to do the sinkhole swim. And
the Kilsby, or Clisby, don't know how you pronounce it, sinkhole, snorkel tomorrow. And then the Piccaninny Ponds.
Yeah. If you haven't...
Sorry about that.
You have to get them out. If you haven't seen any of these things, have a look at them. They're absolutely amazing. We've been trying to get down there for years, but just haven't had the opportunity. So I'm going to head down there now. Then after that, we're off to
Ararat, and then back down to Warrnambool, and then Great Ocean Road, Ballarat, across to Canberra, Blue Mountains, then up the New South Wales coast all the way to Byron Bay, and then back through Dubbo and Tamworth and Broken Hill. So it's quite packed in for 3 weeks, isn't it?
It is. But we're going to stop at 2. We're going to do J Ward at Ararat. If you haven't done Ararat, if you've ever been to Ararat, you'll see Arradale Mental Asylum up on the hill as you're exiting, heading towards Melbourne. On the left, make sure you go do it. Make sure you do a tour through there. It's been left there for the past 30 years with no one in it. It's absolutely amazing building, amazing history. And we're going to do the Beechworth Asylum, which is the sister asylum to Arradale. Again, no one's been there for 30 plus years. So yeah, we're gonna go through some old abandoned buildings.
We do need to buy a mount for that.
So if we're gonna go through some old abandoned buildings, we're gonna find some cool stuff. Sam's editing is gonna be very good. Yeah, some old abandoned buildings. We're gonna see some really cool stuff.
We drove into camp late at night, Bushhaven Cottages, and we set up in the dark. So we took a little video of the next morning before we left for the day trip. We've just arrived at the Kilsby sinkhole where we're going to do the snorkel. So we will do a video of that as well. But this is the entrance.
And then all the way through here, that's the shallowest part of the sinkhole back through here. But it's dark from up here. But again, when you go down, it's just so visible, it's not funny.
So under here, it goes deeper and deeper and deeper.
It goes back out to the car park area.
Yeah, that's crazy.
So we're only seeing about a third of the sinkhole.
That's ridiculous.
The rest of it is back in a water-filled cavern.
So it just goes sort of down like that, yeah.
But quite large. So it's a large area, but it's not a small. It's almost like a.
God, I'm
What was that?
I'm wet. Look at my back. So people actually try to walk down here with flippers on.
Oh yeah, people chuck their gear. People try walking down backwards with flippers on. You try and nail something, and I probably have seen it. Yeah. But yeah, some days you just gotta laugh.
Yeah.
Don't do it that way. Just have to feel to it. Yeah.
Yeah, I probably was lucky you told
Me first. What if the ladder breaks?
I know you're in a rush to get to the water, but not that much of a rush.
Okay. Take it easy, everybody.
Yeah, chilling. So another, like a bit I'd point out, that's an old cockle. a cockle, not coffin, no coffins here, and that's an old bit of fan coral. So we're sitting about 39 to 40 million years old in that. Yep.
That's how I feel in this wetsuit.
That's how I feel every day.
First 20 minutes getting out of bed.
Oh, you don't want to know.
Probably good putting me at the front. I'm keeping the pace nice and slow.
Ready, go. Sweet. Right, pace control so people don't run down.
That's what I said. It's probably a good idea.
Right, I do it on purpose. It's right. So put our stuff on the side. We'll sit down and put our flippers on first.
Oh, this is beautiful.
So flippers on first, guys.
I just don't want to put my face in.
It is epic over here.
Huh? The sinkhole was amazing. So after our swim at the sinkhole, we then decided to go and see the Little Blue Lake and have a swim there because it was a really hot day.
You alright? Yeah. All good. Thanks. I'm going to go jump off something.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
No.
It'll be fine.
No, it won't be fine.
I thought it should.
What?
Just stay there.
Your body will break. You're too old. We're here at the Piccaninny Ponds to snorkel. You need to get a pass from the national parks, a permit, to be able to snorkel, and you get an hour time slot.
Oh, I'm keep like cramping up.
What? scary.
I know, isn't it?
Where are we supposed to go?
I don't know.
Is it over there? We got a little lost on where to go, but we soon found our way back onto the main track. The fresh water in these ponds coming up to the surface under pressure has eroded the limestone to form the chasm and also the cathedral, which is some really, really deep parts of the ponds. It was quite eerie to snorkel over. Take your flippers off, babe.
Do they float?
Oh.
This is Coles at the Piccaninny Ponds, making getting out look pretty sweet.
Are you doing this in case I have a start?
I'm hoping you fall.
I don't know if they float.
Put it on there. Come on.
Where's it? Oh, there.
Come on.
I'm like a kitten.
Yeah, it's amazing. Pretty beautiful spot.
You would never know that is down there.
And then what you can see down there, but
I took it down the water. You would never know that. We pulled up really late last night, so we couldn't do a video, but we're staying at Bushhaven Cottages in Mount Gambier. It's $15 per person per night with the amenities block. We got here a bit late to set up our own shower, or $5 per person per night if you don't use that. So lovely setting. This is our little campsite. We obviously, because we're stopping and moving so often, we don't set up everything each time. That's the amenities block you can see just there near the house. But so far we've really enjoyed it, and
very clean and very nice.
amenities block is absolutely lovely. Really nice shower, and we both slept really well. It's really tranquil and lots of birds, so yeah, we've loved staying here. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more of our travels, and keep an eye out for the next episode on this trip.